Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set a page number in MS PowerPoint. So if you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now first of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. From here, go on Insert on top. Now click on Header and Footer option right over here. Click on it. Check this box, slide number, and click on Apply to All. As you can see, page number is added right over here, 1. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add page number. Also you can see here page number is added. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add page number in MS PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.